We're here at the port in Nassau. Everyone exiting the ship. Got the crew members doing some drills while the boat is a little later. Got a little golf cart trams down there, but most people are walking to the shore. Probably to Senor Frogs. Some margaritas. Or I guess some rum. I'll take some rum.
That warmed me out here.
Yeah, we're on the we're out of the port area here. We got
Nice to meet you,
put pirate on anything and you can find me there. Of course, you got a ton of shops everywhere. Alright, we're heading to Junkanoo Beach. It's a little bit of a walk, but you have to walk down the main roads and you'll pass by all the shops. Everyone's trying to sell something, of course. It's kind of cool, actually, but Dunkin Donuts, got a McDonald's up here, so some semblance of America, but that is Royal Palace. We will be there soon. Alright, I think we're getting close to it. There's Margaritaville here. Looks like the rain clouds are rolling in. Thank you. Coming up to Junkanoo Beach. Looks like you go through this archway. We'll see. I'll let you know. Alright, so we just stopped and asked for directions. Apparently it's not that little area by Margaritaville. So we got another block or two to walk. Should be right up here. Alright, so I think we made it. Looks like this could be it. Alright, we have made it. So Junkanoo Beach actually goes pretty far down. There's a ton of areas with beach chairs and stuff right past this wall. And if you pass the wall, you get a lot of areas without beach chairs. You can just sit in the sand. There are beach chairs here, of course, but it's not as crowded and not as intrusive. You don't want people bombarding you all the time, which is fine. It's kind of cool. It's all part of the experience.